Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset Remitly password. So if you also want to reset Remitly password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Remitly application. You can see over here, Remitly application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. At bottom right corner, you'll be able to find the option for manage. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the manage interface. You can see several options over here. You can see the option for profile, settings, payment methods, redeem offer. All you have to do is tap on the profile option that you can see at the first. Now you'll be led to the profile information interface. Here you'll be able to see several information about your profile. Here you'll be able to see the option for password. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the option for edit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to set a password. First of all, you'll have to enter your current password. Now enter your new password. Make sure to set up a very strong password for yourself. Now confirm the password. After you confirm the password, simply tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now your password will be reset. So that is how you reset Remitly password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.